Good morning, students. Today I will start new lesson, lesson number 14, my books. I don't think that today I have to explain the meaning of our lesson name, my books. As you know, we all love reading books because we get more and more knowledge from books. Yes, all of love books because not only they gives us the knowledge, but they really makes us like our homes. So I will start this lesson, my books. I love my books. They are the homes of queens and fairies and knights and gnomes. This is a poem. So in this four lines, one stanza, I will read and explain you. Yes, as I already said you, that we all love books. We like to read our books to get plenty of knowledge. We'll come to know so many different stories. Some are of queens and fairies. Queens means king and queens, those who used to rule the kingdoms. Fairies, Pariya, fairy tales, you heard na this word. So we all love reading of books, and really they are our homes also. When we read the books, we feel ourselves something great because we get more and more knowledge from books. We get new stories. We comes to know about our life. So many things. Nowadays, as actually we are giving the importance to network connectivity, internet, so that we are getting knowledge from this. But mostly, if you will find, if you will just go through a library, book library, you will find all kinds of books. If you want to read about mythology, you will get a complete compartment of mythology books, history books, general knowledge books. Likewise, whatever you needed, you will get in one department that is called a book library. So it is our home. We comes to know about the beautiful stories of queens and fairies which our grandparents used to tell us. Fairies means परियां, परियों की कहानियां, राजा रानी की कहानियां. We come to know. And knights and gnomes. What is the meaning of knights? You know, KNIGSTS. It means the person who has been given a title of honor by a king or a queen by doing something good work. अगर हम कुछ अच्छा काम करते हैं तो या तो कोई ऐसा रेस्पेक्ट दी जाती है, कोई ऑनर दिया जाता है या कोई टाइटल दिया जाता है कुछ अच्छा काम करने से राजा या तो रानी के हाथ से एक किसी पर्सन को. दैट इज कॉल्ड द नाइट्स एंड ग्नूम्स. Understood? So here the meaning I explain you. Okay? And knights meaning I said you. And in gnomes we call it as those are the stories related to children's. When we used to tell in stories that an old man with a beard or pointed hat who lives under the ground, ऐसे हमारी बाल कथाओं में आता है ना कि एक बिल्कुल एक दाढ़ी वाला आदमी आता है और वो हम सबको अच्छे से स्टोरी बताता है और टोपी पहन के आता है और हमारे लिए खजाना लेके आता है, पैसे लेके आ जाता है और वो उस खजाने की रक्षा करता है. सो दोज आर ऑफ ग्नोम्स, GNOMES. This is the meaning of a gnomes, and it comes only in children's stories. Gnomes, it is a little old man with a beard and a pointed hat who lives under the ground. Okay, the story of gnomes we heard so many times in our stories also when we were very small. Each time I read, I make a call on some quaint person, large or small. Okay, here the meaning of quaint is it's an old fashioned and attractive one. Sometimes what happened, being old fashioned, some work, some clothes, something, whatever it is, some persons, but they looks very attractive. So each time means whenever we get a time, I make a call on some fashioned and attractive persons, whether they are large or small, who welcomes me with a hearty hand and leads me through his wonderland. So many times I heard so many things that one large person or small person who will welcome me, जो मेरा दिल से वेलकम करेगा, वेदर वो इंसान जो है जो कि ओल्ड फैशन वाला भले ही है, आज तो वो अट्रैक्टिव लगता है, अच्छा लगता है, ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, भले वो लंबा रहे या छोटा रहे, जो हमारा वेलकम करता है दिल से with a hearty hand and leads me through his wonderland. And who leads me? He always leads me with a wonderland. Okay? He leads me means किसी को एक कोई साथ में पर्सन लेके जाना और उसको एक वे दिखाना, टू शो द वे इन द वंडरलैंड. परियों की रानी में कोई हमको ऐसा उंगली पकड़ के जैसे कोई लेके जा रहा है, हमारा वेलकम कर रहा है. We really feel na when we read the books, such type of stories are also there. So here the meaning of leads is to go or to go with a person who shows us the way to make a right direction, that too in the wonderland. जो अजीबो एक दुनिया रहती है, वंडरलैंड, ब्यूटीफुल एक लैंड, जो हमारा कोई हाथ पकड़ के दिल से हमको वेलकम करके लेके जाता है. ऐसे हमें कुछ ऐसे स्टोरीज बुक से मिलती है. Each book is like a city street. Like a city street. In a city, you find many streets. So every book contains so many stories. So each book, we feel each book is covered with like a city street, along whose winding way I meet. वाइंडिंग मीन्स अलॉन्ग, मतलब वो हमको रास्ता भी दिखाती है कि हम यहाँ से निकलेंगे तो यहाँ मिलेंगे. हमारी स्ट्रीट्स कैसे रहती है सिटी की, अगर ये गली से निकलेंगे तो इधर पहुंचेंगे, इधर से निकलेंगे तो इधर पहुंचेंगे, लेकिन हम हमारे जगह पे एग्जैक्टली पहुंच जाएंगे. तो ये हर एक बुक एक हमारी शहर की गलियों के जैसा हमको पूरा रास्ता दिखाती है, जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं हम जाके एक जगह बिल्कुल मिल ही जाते हैं. We find new friends and old who laugh and sing and take me off adventuring. Yes, what happens when we will just inform them regarding some stories to our new friends or old? Sometimes they even laugh and sing on us. But overall, we just imagine our adventure life. हम कभी स्टोरी ऐसा देखते हैं, वी इमेजिन हम आज दुनिया यहाँ की घूम के आए, वहां घूम के आए, करते हैं ना ऐसा. एंड देन वी व्हेन वी शेयर द फीलिंग्स with our new friends or old friends, sometimes they laugh at us and sometimes they joke on us, but we feel very happy that we actually had an adventuring life. We enjoyed. This is about our book, which gives us in an instant way action and reaction. So books overall is everything for us. This I want to inform you. This is a poem. As I explain you, my books. Once again, I'll read. I love my books. I hope that all of the persons, to whoever you just go to meet your friends, relatives, whoever it is, definitely you will find books in their homes. Yes, na? So our homes, we feel literally books are our homes. Whether they are of queens and fairies and knights and grooms. Each time I read, I make a call. Means each time, whenever I get the time, I read and I make a call. Means I realize on some quaint person that some person will come and take us and welcomes us with his hearty hand and leads me through his wonderland. परियों, ऐसा लगता ना कभी कि ये परियों की रानियां आएंगी और हमको भी अपनी जादुई दुनिया की सैर करा के लाएंगी, वो दिल से हमारा स्वागत करेंगे. ऐसा हमको वो बुक्स जब हम पढ़ते हैं ऐसे इमेजिनेशन आता है. Each book actually we feels like a city street whose winding way I meet, after a turning also zigzag way, but somewhere we meet our new friends and old. When we inform them about the story of so and so things, they literally laugh at us and sings and take me off in a adventuring life. So this is overall about the story of a book and the knowledge of our books. Lesson number 14. All of you students, read this poem carefully and write down the hard words from this poem. If you are having any doubts, you just inform me. Thank you all of you. Take care. Have a nice day.